Hi there, this is Bill Bandy again with Safety Environmental Testing, coming to you from a basement utility room. In fact, I'm going to do a lot of my videos from here because frankly, usually this is the moldiest place in the houses that I go into. The first thing I want to do is tell you a little bit in this video about air samples. When we do mold sampling, what we often do, and most frequently do, is we collect air samples. These air samples are collected through this device here. It's called a spore trap. We set up a little pump. We calibrate it to 15 liters per minute, which this particular spore trap is designed for. Air passes through this, and in the middle of it's a slide with some adhesive on it. And that slide will catch any particulates that actually get pulled through the spore trap, and then we take these to the lab, and the lab analyzes these. They actually quantify, they tell us how much mold is present, and they tell us what genuses of mold or genera of mold are present, and then we take these that we collect throughout your home or your business and compare them to an outdoor sample that we collect the day or the evening and the location of the assessment that we do. And then we use these to help put together a picture of the indoor air quality in your home. Now, if these don't show mold, it doesn't mean that mold's not present in your home. That's a really important point. But what it means is the air, the indoor air in that space, is not being impacted in any significant way by the potential mold that's growing in your house. Sometimes the only way to find mold is things have to be torn out. And if we find a suspect condition that we're concerned about, we never cut anything out, because if there's mold back there, it's going to have a dramatic impact on your indoor air quality. Anyways, I just want to tell you about air sampling. We can do viable and non-viable air sampling. The viable is we have to grow cultures and takes a couple weeks and is really expensive. The non-viable air sampling, we have results within 24 to 48 hours, as long as it's not over the weekend, and we get those turned around, and they're much less expensive. Anyways, that's air sampling. If you have any questions, get a hold of us.